Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and it's currently Tuesday the 15th December. Just put on some SPF, major key, and it's actually sunny today. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and yeah, let's see what happens.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright. Let me know.
Good morning guys, so just doing a quick morning forecast. It's currently 9:40. I'm in between a work block, so let's just jump straight into it. I'm actually in an AU position, taking a flag continuation to the upside. Let's see what happens. Essentially, we had a push up, then we had the counter trend candle, we broke it, and then I got in on the retrace, which is this candle. However, there's a bit of a difference in this one because I didn't get in right after the candle because that was at basically midnight. I got in this morning when it was going from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. and I'd still set an order in this area and it still took me in. We've broken this high now, so naturally I've trailed it to down here, just running at 0.5%. I'd say if price continues and it hasn't really managed to create a counter trend then push up, then I'll definitely be moving to break even. There's absolutely no reason why I should be taking a loss, especially since we're still sort of in this sort of sideways consolidation. Nothing is actually confirmed until we sort of break out and get another continuation. What I like about this as well, is just looking at it from sort of a psychological standpoint, is that we've broken this low. People are getting caught on the wrong side of the market, price just pushes straight back up. Again, I use high time frames as confluence, so if we just look at the 4 hour, you can see where we've come from. We have come from this push up, so let's see if we do continue. And that's it pretty much for AU. For EU, looking on the 1 hour, we've actually got this massive push up, but another question that I like to ask, as you guys know, is what happens after the impulse? Are we just gonna go straight back in to this massive consolidation? If we do, then I'm not interested, and I would much prefer to see this either form into a continuation to confirm the move to the upside, or to actually continue, then get continuation. EJ, this is interesting, and you can see that we've been in this sideways consolidation for a while, since the start of the month, but we have this impulsive candle. I like how nature's at, where it's sort of come from. I do have an alert set because I want to see how we come back into this level here. And what I found with EJ is that we can be at a sort of sideways correction, but then if we have sort of just pierced through the lows with descending behavior, it's likely that we do push up and then it tends to continue. This is the key bit of information that you'll only know if you're backtesting, and you can see here we've sort of got this double bottom, pierces it and absolutely explodes. Same thing with EU here. Pierce the low, come back up. It's just getting people caught on the wrong side of the market, and it's, you know, this is something that I've learned from my first ever community, and yeah, this is definitely more of a valid trade since we are, or if an entry happens, it'll be within the actual consolidation. But let's see what happens. I'll keep an eye on it. So that alert on EJ went off, and I've placed an order, a limit order. So if it comes back down to this level, then we're in. Every time I'm in or have an order set, my flag goes green. EU, I've also now got an alert set at this low. So we'll see if we get something where it kind of just ranges because there's a wick, push down, then we go. Then I'll get in. And for AU, I've moved to just above break even. So now that we've had this candle and then we've pushed up and continued, I'm now at break even, so running risk free on AU. So gonna go on a walk with a couple of my friends. Basically I've set all my alerts for EU. EJ, I think I'm not tagged in, so I've still got my entry set. However, I do have an alert on the high, and then AU, that's just still running at risk free, so we'll just see what happens, and I'll probably check my phone every now and then, and yeah. So I'm currently on a walk and I've just been triggered into EJ, into the trade.
So I'm currently in that position now. Hey guys, just doing the quick evening forecast. I just got home and yeah, I just wanted to quickly document this. So I just got taken out of sort of break even or above break even. I say under 0.2% from my AU long position. So I got taken out around 1 p.m. That's when I was out. And at one point it was running at around 1.3%, but I moved it to just under 0.2. And yeah, it's a sort of rule now that I have, especially if we're more in a valid area, taking a trade within this sort of sideways correction. EJ, so this is a bit of a funny one because I actually manually closed at this candle. So within this 1800 hour candle before 1900 hours, for some reason, I thought there was going to be restricted news for EJ. But it was just literally US dollar news, I think, not even euro. For some reason, my head saw euro. So basically, this is the news, restricted news that's going on. This is in European time, so I think that's 1 hour ahead. So we had crude oil, USD news at 1900 hours. That would have been at mine. But yeah, for some reason, I manually closed within this candle here, and I just banked around 1%. After we had this candle, I was at break even, so I'm happy that I did manage to bank at least 1% rather than the break even. But again, is what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much the trades for today.
Okay, I mean,
Oh, this is not a good idea.
yeah, let's go this way.
Yeah, let me go this way. This makes sense. Ow! You were thinking the quicksand's gonna get you.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.